everybody, and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Thank you for all y'all who keep coming back, and welcome to all you new ones. Hey. In this video, as you can see, I am going to be cooking my beef cheesy taco roll-ups. These are super yummy. My kids absolutely love it, and they're really good for your picky eaters. You can serve it with some salsa, guacamole, or whatever. So if you like this recipe in this channel, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into this recipe, y'all. First, you're gonna get you one of them cans of pizza dough. You can use Walmart's version, whatever version you can find, but I'm going to be using the Pillsbury one. I'm going to just plop it right on there, and I'm plopping it on top of my silicone bake sheets. Oh my god, these are a cooker, baker's, or whatever dream. I will have a link to them in the description box. But anywho, you're going to spread it all out, get it all nice and flat or whatever. Then I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces. And now I'm going to be using the Colby Jack cheese sticks. You know how sometimes you can use the Monterey Jack or whatever Jack cheese you like, or even the pepper Jack cheese sticks would sound, don't that sound good? You can do that too. But for my kids, they kind of wimpy. They don't like food spicy, so I'm just going to use the Colby Jack. Then I'm now going to put about a teaspoon of some seasoned beef taco meat that I've already made. If you watched that video on how I freeze and cook my meat, definitely check out that video, and I show the recipe and all the ingredients that I put in there. But that's that same meat that I had in my freezer, and I just pulled it out for this recipe. Now it's time to roll those bad boys up. Make sure you take your time and don't do too rough, because you don't want to make any holes in the dough. But you just, pinch the ends and make sure it's nicely, folded and covered. And once I'm done, I just set those suckers in the oven for a good 10 to 15 minutes. And once they're done, and then I have some butter that I melted in the side, and I just kind of, brush it on top, and voila, it is done, y'all. And here are my results. They are super yummy, super delicious. Yeah, definitely let me know if you guys tried this recipe. Comment down below. Definitely don't forget to share, like, subscribe, just do all that good stuff, y'all. I appreciate y'all, and as always, guys, God bless. Mwah!